Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Clefairy from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Draw a vertical line. Draw a horizontal line to mark eye position. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw mouth. Draw tongue. Draw stick lines for leg position. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw stick lines for hand position. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw hair bun on top of the head. Draw ear. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Detail the ear. Draw cheeks. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.